Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am here to introduce you to some brand new products from Born Pretty store that I have here to review. So let me start out with the clear polishes. I have 3 top coats to review for you and a base coat. So this is the regular top coat is here as you can see. Then we have a matte top coat. You can see how this is nicely labeled right there. This is matte top coat on the front. Also an 7 ml bottle. This is your base. This is the clear base that goes on your bare nail prior to applying the color. And then we have, okay, so here, yes, it says top coat, but when you purchase this, and I will have the links in the description bar, it says super top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you the difference between your traditional gel top coat that you're used to versus this brand new that they just introduced as a super top coat. So I also have to show you, this is a set of 6. Okay, so this is the little box. Actually, let me move these from here. These set of 6 polishes came in this nice little box. This is a set of 6, and these are the very trendy now reflective glitter gels. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. I do have my design here, my nails, and I have tried all of these on my clients. I'm going to leave you at the end of the video with all the photos flash on so you can see the effect of these absolutely gorgeous glitters. Very reflective. So yeah, reflective as in that. Let me go ahead and zoom you in. Okay, so here we are a little closer. So these are reflective, guys. You know, you have those when you have the bicycles or in the back of the cars or road signs that have that reflective lighting to, or the reflective what do you call it, effect to them, you know, when the light hits them. That's what these do when you flash them or hit them with the flash, your camera flash. But even on their own, check out how gorgeous these are. Very holographic glitter in there. So this is one of the colors. I'm going to go ahead, I have 6. I'm going to go ahead and do the review. I'm going to do the swatches on my color wheel here, and then I will show you the names of the colors as I pull them out and show you when I open the container so you can see the colors. And then I will have them all for you to see them at the end, as well as the photos at the end of the video of all the clients that all the designs that I did for my clients using these polishes. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so there you saw me do the application of the base clear for this first swatch right here, and I also did the super top coat on this one. I believe. You cannot tell the difference in the finish between the super top coat and the traditional gel top coat. The difference is in the results that you get as you get wear and tear, because so the super top coat they just came out with, it's a top coat that protects the shiny coat from scratches and dullness over time, as you know, as the wear and tear, if you would say, of your manicure, your gel manicure goes on. But the consistency and viscosity between the two is the same in application, and all of these, including the clear gels, cure in 30 seconds under the LED lamp. Okay, so here, these two right here, these two are, they kind of have that pearlescent finish, where this one has the blue undertones, and this one more of a pink. And you're looking at them under just artificial lighting. There's no flash on at all. I will show that effect here in a minute, but just to go over the colors, if you want a true silver, this is the third one right here. Number 3 is more of a true silver. This fourth one right here, it's more, it has some pinks, and also, so I will also mention that the base, the formula, it's all clear. The color comes strictly from the glitter itself. So this one has some of the pink glitters. This one has gold glitters, very beautiful, and this one's more red. You can tell the difference kind of between these two. This red one is the one that I have here on my index and my pinky. Of course, it looks, you know, since this, I apply this over this white tip, it looks more translucent, that, you know, it's like, because of the clear base, so you see that sheer through this, and here, and for my manicure I apply them over color. You can do that too, so you can apply these over similar colors to make them pop even more. It doesn't change the effect, the flash effect. This one right here is number 3, and I was just showing a demonstration of the matte top coat. There you can, and I'm interested to see what happens with it when I do with the flash, when it's finished with the matte top coat. I have not tried that yet, so we will see. So again, it's you know, matte, when you mattify a glitter polish, it kind of has the, when you look at it, it looks as if it was textured, but it really isn't. It's completely smooth. But I wanted to show the effect. All top coats cure without, you don't have to wipe them. They're completely finished, and the matte comes out matte as it cures in the lamp, and no tackiness. So I do love that about these. And now let's go ahead and play with some flash effects. All right, well, there you guys have it. You saw the beautiful effect, the reflective effect on these glitter gels. And we discovered that if we finish one of them with a matte top coat, it will have no reflection effect on it whatsoever. Nothing glitters, nothing shimmer about it, and no holographic finish either, or holographic look to it. Just a texture look like other glitter polishes. So now we know that, but we can see this was mostly just to show how well that matte top coat worked. So here are those gorgeous colors, and as you saw also in the reflective stage, they're pretty much, you can barely tell the color difference between them. They pretty much all reflect in a silvery finish. So yeah, that's what you'll know there. Don't forget that I will have other photos of my clients, of all the designs that I did on my clients with these gorgeous colors or these gorgeous gels. I'll have that at the end for you guys to enjoy. If you have any questions about these, I will be happy to answer them for you. Don't forget, I do have a discount code for you guys to take advantage if you're interested in these, and I will have the links down in the description bar below. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these beautiful colors and products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.